Welcome to the YouTube channel for Devious Darlings Boutique. My name is Rebecca. It's been a little while. I am a hell of a procrastinator when it comes to these videos and haven't gotten anything done. I did purposely stay off for a couple weeks because I went and I got myself a new tattoo. So I was waiting for that to heal before I started putting up another video. And then me and my husband went on our yearly trip down to St. Victor, which is a bike rally. So I have that video which I was going to post today, but then this showed up, so I figured let's do an Ipsy unboxing today. So that's what we're gonna get into right now, and I'm gonna try to get through this fairly quickly because I'm not sure if you can see that I'm already melting. This room gets really hot in the afternoon, so if I'm gonna be filming up here, I have to do it in the morning. But because this bag didn't arrive until, you know, mid-afternoon, blah, 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 here we are, I'm melting. Let's get into it. So this is the June Ipsy bag. And let's see here. Oh, right off the hop, we get a mask. Perfect Radiance unicorn mask. Let's see here. Unicorn chocolate facial mask with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. Using our unique botanic fiber, we have designed a unicorn chocolate facial mask that boosts your radiance, illuminates your look, and gives you a unicorn glow. bioBELLE. This looks interesting. I love getting a mask, so I will definitely let you know once I try this out. I wonder if it smells like it's, yeah, this one looks like it'll be fun to try out. So that's the first thing. Let's have a look at the bag. Just a yellow bag with the clasp is a little heart this month. Not sure if you can see that or not, but yep, just a three-tone yellow bag. And here is the card. Colors, Flying Colors, June of 2018. There we go. And it says, at Ipsy, Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everybody to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That's why we're highlighting 7 LGBTQ plus creators who know what makes them different is also what makes them beautiful. But that's just the beginning. There's still so much work to do to educate the world on love, acceptance, and tolerance. Together, we are making strides every day. Whether you're matching in Pride Parade, out and proud, oh, I'm sorry, let me do that again. Whether you're marching in Pride Parade, out and proud, supporting your friends and loved ones, or just starting to learn about the LGBTQ plus movement, we hope that your Flying Colors Glambag and all the stories on Ipsy.com will inform, empower, and motivate you to be your best, most loving, vibrant self this June. P.S. We teamed up with MAC, one of our beauty besties, to celebrate Pride all month long with killer cashback deals on tons of MAC products. They've led the way in championing LGBTQ plus rights for decades, so we couldn't think of a better partner to help us spread some rainbow love. Head over to ipsy.com/shop to check it out. So there you go. That's their little card for the month. And let's get into, so now we've got the facial mask, and here is something I always love to see, a new small shader Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes, and for me, as soon as you see a brush in your Ipsy bag, your bag is paid for. I mean, these brushes aren't cheap, right? So this is this month's shader brush. It is Luxie 245 small shader. I cannot wait. Oh, beautiful as always. I can't wait to use that one. Okay, next we have a Cotz Faint, the healthier sunscreen. Oh, okay, so broad spectrum, SPF 40, drug facts. Okay, so a nice SPF for my face there. I'm always open to trying a new, but it's a tinted, so we'll see how that goes with me and my skin tone. A lot of times tinted don't work so well on me until I already have a tan, so we'll see. Oh, and a nail polish. Oh, this month's bag is amazing. Tag Your Manny. Let's see. Pretty Woman nail polish is who it is. And they're on Instagram and everything. 10 free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and then a whole bunch of other nice big words free, and they're vegan. Tag Your Manny. Chance to win. Our amazing collection of nail polish has something for everyone. Choose from over 1,000 colors and textures. The innovative, fast-drying, long-lasting formula resists chipping, cracking, fading, and peeling for up to 10 days. Okay, well that is one I will have to do a little pedicure on. Oh, well that's a nice nude color, which is actually kind of what I like to put on my nails, on my toenails anyways. I'm not seeing a color listed. Vacay. Looks like Vacay is the name of this shade. And I got a manicure, so I am totally not going to test it out, but I'll just open up the bottle. Oh, just a little sealer come off. Yeah, this definitely looks like basically a nice white. I don't know if the camera's focusing on that or not. But there you go. Okay. And then our final product is City Chic. If I can get into the, play with the bubble wrap more than I want to get into the product here. All right. Okay, so a City Chic eyeshadow in Skinny Latte. So it looks pretty plain here. It's just a nice shimmer shadow is what it looks like. And I'll do a quick finger swatch right there for you. So that'll work good as a nice little highlighter in along the inner corner of my eye. Actually, let's just take a little brush right now. Where's my tiny brush? Whenever you need something, you can't find it, you know? All right. So we'll just dab a little of this into the corner of this makeup look and see how that shows up. So overall, I'd say I'm happy with this month's bag. I recently redid my questionnaire trying to get a little bit bolder of colors. So I don't know if this was just, it seems weird to me that I got extremely basic colors in a month that's supposed to be full of color and flying colors. I've gotten some nudes instead, but I'm happy with what I got. This is a nice size. You are getting 0.129 ounces or 3.65 grams in this one. This is definitely a full size. It's 0.33 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters of nail polish here. As well, the mask and then this new brush. All of those things for me, this definitely makes the bag worth it this month. Normally I only look for one product to pay for the bag for me, but this month I got 4 out of the 5 products pay for the bag for me. So again, thumbs up to Ipsy. So that was this month's glam bag. I hope you enjoyed following me while I opened it up here for you. I'm sure I'm not the first video you've ever watched of somebody doing an Ipsy unboxing. They're very easy to find, just ipsy.com. Sorry, I do not have a discount code for you. I am definitely not a beauty guru channel. Just a woman who enjoys makeup, so and a bunch of other stuff. So if you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. As well, early next week I am gonna get that St. Victor's video up for you guys so that you guys can see this bike rally. This past year was the 39th annual. Next June will be the 40th annual St. Victor bike rally. So if you enjoy the video that's going to be coming up of that, maybe you'll make the trek all the way to Saskatchewan and come and join us to party. Until next time, see you.